Yourself, please, and pass the mic. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Tim. I'm the trumpet player.
Hello, I'm Rafi. I'm the drummer of the band.
Hi, I'm Jeff. I play sax for the band.
I am Manuel, play trumpet also. I'm Pio, I'm the vocalist. Zoe, guitar.
David, I play the keys.
Neon, also guitar. Iggy, I'll be playing bass. This album is it's our first, but we've never made a body of work like this many in one go. So it gave us like an opportunity to explore other sounds, not just the sounds that our audiences are used to. So in this album, we treated it like a playground. We experimented, we applied the stuff that we knew from our old songs or stuff that we used to. We used it to like explore the other genres. That includes, and what are the others? We had like some gospel influences in one of the songs. What else?
Funk.
Yeah, we had
rock-ish.
Yeah.
Alternative, a lot of alternative stuff.
Yeah. Ballad. We also have a ballad there. What can we expect? Well, for the launch mismo today, we made live arrangements for each of the songs. We're going to be playing each song along with our past hits as well. The album is, I wouldn't say that different from our old sounds or from our old songs. It's still
It's familiar,
familiar.
but it's new.
Yeah. It's still the Lola Amour sound, but it's not the genres that other people are used to. Although there are some songs there that are still, like classic Lola Amour, like Namimiss Ko Na and This Ain't Love. It's a classic Lola Amour genre, and I guess umiinit in a way, right?
Yes. Yes.
Sorry. Yes.
Thank you. We'll make this very casual. Why did you decide to bring the launch to Cebu, and why Cebu of all places?
Well,
The audience.
Yeah, the audience in Cebu is always like it's a different environment than in Manila, and we have a lot of fans in Cebu also. And every time we come here, laging puno yung mga shows namin, diba? Parang in Ayala Center. Like last time we were here, I think we filled up the entire outdoor area. So we know that we have a lot of fans here, and we know that we shouldn't just focus on Metro Manila, especially if there are other people who are willing to see us. Actually, the only regret we have is that we didn't get a bigger venue. We couldn't get a bigger venue because I think even way before the first leg of the launch, I think sold out na yung show namin sa Cebu. So, hindi na kayo makahanap ng lilipatan na venue mas malaki or like a way to increase the capacity. Yeah.
Aside from that, we always enjoy the Cebu crowd. Like Cebu crowd is like different. It's wild. They always welcomed us.
One in a good way.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, especially our first show like 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
We've never really had any shows here. We're scared that people don't know our music. We never performed here, but they welcomed us wholeheartedly.
Very overwhelming.
I remember like the Fallen launch. It was here, right? When it was
Yeah.
like the best.
City Center.
Third, sorry, yes. The smaller wall venue. The one that's just like a shoebox shape.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, and then it was so crazy. The crowd was so wild. As in like louder than Pio. Our
Cebu featuring Lola Amour.
our engineer said that Pio's voice was maxed in the mixer, but he was still softer than the crowd. That's what I remember. So it's so nice to come back every time. So welcome.
I remember during that, I'm not sure if it was the Raining in Manila tour or the Fallen tour. We had two Cebu shows, different than the
Fallen.
Fallen. It was Fallen. We had 2 days, 2 separate venues.
And the next question is,
in Draft Punk, it's kind of like a venue that we performed in sa Manila. It's a venue called 123 Block. So it's a very familiar setup. I don't know. It's just because we can't even ocular. You know, usually we check. I go to our venues usually to check out the place, and yeah, it's here. Here, hindi naman ocular, diba? So at least it's a bit more familiar. We just know the setup. We know what kind of show we want to prepare for a venue like that. So yun, I think you guys are...
Yeah, parang the stage is not as far away from the audience. You can feel their energy a bit more. It's a bit more, you know, loose. You can be more
intimate.
Yeah. Can be like, yeah, it's not so formal. Yeah.
Speaking of venues,
Yeah. But Coldplay was a weird experience. Like a good
Overwhelming.
experience. Overwhelming experience, yeah. Because we were asked to play, and we didn't know like anything about like what we should be doing. That was the first time we performed in a show of that scale. Kasi laki ng Coldplay show eh. I think na 55K yung audience at that time. And none of them went there to watch Lola Amour. You know, they all went there to watch Coldplay, right? So backstage, we were all very nervous because like, what if we go there and no one cares?
Yeah, no one cares. Or they're even angry that I want more Coldplay. Why are they here? I don't want them there.
But may raining in Manila na naman. Ganun. So it was a great experience. It was humbling to see, you know, when we got up on stage, parang sinusuportahan kami ng mga our countrymen, you know, in an international show. They were happy to see us and they all sang along. So I think that was like the best part of the Coldplay show, aside from meeting the band.